What's going on? It's Ed here from Geek, and today we're going to talk about how to get water damage clients. So what we're doing now is we're inside of a Google Ads campaign, and we're going to show you behind the scenes of what it looks like to run a high-performing Google Ads campaign. So this is 2 weeks worth of data for this particular client, and as you can see, they're spending or they're budgeting 87 bucks per day. They've gotten 25 clicks. They're at a $29 cost per click. They've spent $7.29. They've gotten 8 leads at a cost per lead of 91 bucks, and they are at a 32% conversion rate. So basically, every third click in the campaign is producing a lead for this particular client. And you know better than I do what these leads are worth and what these job sizes are. 3,000, 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, 30,000. You can get some very large jobs here. So Google Ads is a super effective way to generate water damage clientele. So if you're interested in us potentially running a campaign for you, what I'll do is I'll drop a link in the description below, and just fill out the application just so I can get a little context about your business and what you're doing and what your goals are. And then if there's a fit, we'll reach out and see how we might be able to help each other and see if we can. If you're running a Google Ads campaign, all you got to do is open up your stats and compare head to head and see how they look. All right. So again, this is Ed here from Geek. We're a premier Google Ads partner agency, and we specialize in lead gen for local businesses. And water damage is a niche that we do very well in. So if you need anything, give us a shout. Have a great day.